Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to make a shark cake topper tutorial for you guys, but it ended up in a bit of a disaster because I did not like the end of this, so I changed what I wanted to make. So my plan was to make a shark that can sit on a cake like the baby shark do or whatever. So I was making this. I was so excited to make this, though it was a little bit tedious, but I was enjoying my tutorial and showing you guys how to make the nose, the mouth, the gum, the teeth, the fins. And here I was cutting out the mouth shape with my craft knife and trying to widen it so that I can have my teeth and gum stick up there. Now I was excited with this. It was looking like a fish, but it was not big enough to be a shark. It wasn't big enough to be a shark. The tail is not long enough to be a shark. It was just like a really like a I don't know. I don't even know. So yeah, I made some indents on the fin. Is it the dorsal fin or the what's it called? I think it should be the dorsal fin. What? Okay, so I made this, and next step I decided, okay, I punched out a nostril in there, and yeah, next step was the gum. The mouth of the fish, of the shark, is red, okay, because it has swallowed some animals and stained its mouth with some blood. So we decided to make the mouth red. Now this is a red piece of fondant, and I'm trying to blend it in with my modeling tool, and I ended up doing that, and that was successful. Then I added another piece of red fondant to make the gum of the fish, and on this red fondant you're going to stick up your teeth when it's time. So I added a little bit of water so the gum can stick up, and I blended that in as well. Doing that, blending and blending and blending. Okay, that's enough. Oh my god. Okay, I was still blending in the gum here, trying to get it to look real, even though it's not really realistic, but at least I wanted it to look a little bit. Yeah, now the teeth part. So this is actually very fun and easy to make. All you have to do is just make a teardrop shape of your fondant, then cut off the round part, and you have your teeth. Then you pick it up with your toothpick and you transfer that to your red gum shark mouth. Okay, and that's it. After that, I decided to switch off the camera and continued with making my teeth, and I came back on camera to add the wings. And okay, yeah, I was adding another piece of fondant on the nose part because the nose wasn't pointed enough and it was looking like a dog's nose. No, like I don't know. It was looking like some kind of nose I didn't like. Now I didn't like the shark at all. The old shark was something I was not happy with, and I was not ready to upload this to YouTube. So I decided, okay, what can I do instead of wasting the old fondant, because I wanted to trash the old shark. Then I cut that into three actually, and then painted the remaining parts with royal blue food coloring, and I painted the nose and decided to see what it's gonna look like. I painted the board, that was my turntable, just to give it a water look effect. You can do that on your fondant, like on the real cake. This is just a turning board or turning table, right? Sorry. So after that, I got a food coloring pen and painted the eyeballs. I didn't show that in the video, sorry. And that was how I made a shark cake topper tutorial. That was not even a tutorial. It was Yeah, that's the end. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.